What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Dark Sonic. Let's begin along the bottom center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. Starting from the very top, we're going to come all the way around, and then back up. Along the top of the nose, let's draw a small circle for our highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now we're going to move out to the side of the nose and add a fold. We're going to go out and then down across the top edge of the muzzle. Then we're going to step back up, go out, and then up towards the cheeks. Let's round out the cheeks. Come around and then in. Now to connect the bottom with a curve, coming across the chin, go across and then back up. Now we're going to shift the mouth over towards the right side. So we're going to start down here, start with a curve going out and then up, come down, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add some sharp teeth inside. Starting from the inside, we're going to go up and down, just adding these little points going across. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the nose. We're going to draw a straight line going across and up. Move out to the side. We're going to bend the brow, going out and then up toward the left and right side. Now we want to curl the brow, going across and then out towards the side. Let's add a fold. So we're going to step back in, around, and just pull that in on top of the cheeks. From the bottom of the cheeks, let's add a fold, going out and then up. And we're also going to enhance the brow by adding a fold. Starting on the outside, we're going to go up, across, and then bend that down on the inside. Let's line that up on the right, going up, around the eye, and then down. Now just up above the brow, we're going to add the ears. Let's start on the left. Bend this out and then up. And we're going to line that up on the right side, going up towards the same height. And you want to bend this in and then down. Let's trace the ears along the inside, starting with the side going up towards a point. And then we're going to round out the bottom. Now we're going to add that large point in the center of the head. Let's start from the inside of the left ear, bend this up, and then in towards the middle, bend this out, and then down on top of the right ear. Now let's go to the outside of the ears and draw that first spike. We're going to start out here, bend this out, and then up. Let's line this up on the right. Now I'm going to curve the outside of the ear. We're going to start by going out, come down, and then bend that in, aiming towards the eyes. Now we're going to layer the bottom spike underneath. So from here, we're going to step out, go across, and then hook that up. Let's go back to the left side, coming down and in. And then we just want to tuck that up underneath the chin. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Dark Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.